The wireless charger on your Acura allows you to cut the cord and charge your mobile phone easily while still maintaining connectivity. To use it, your phone must have Qi wireless charging capability. Check with your phone manufacturer to see if your phone is Qi compatible. Ensure that your Acura is turned on or in accessory mode. Then, check to make sure that the charger is on. Press and hold the power button to turn the system on, and the green indicator light will illuminate. Next, make certain that there is nothing else on the charging pad. Then, place your phone in the center of the pad. The phone will begin charging, and the amber light on the pad will illuminate. The charging indicator on the screen will also illuminate. When charging is complete, the green light will illuminate. Depending on the device, the amber light may remain illuminated as well. This is normal. Your phone can remain on the charging pad even when fully charged. If charging does not start or is interrupted, the green and amber lights will blink at the same time. This could be due to one of several reasons. There could be a foreign object between your phone and the charging pad. Your phone case may be too thick, may have objects in it that block charging, or may not be compatible with wireless charging. The phone may not be within the charging area, or it may be due to phone temperature. It is normal for the charging area and phone to heat up during wireless charging. Using wireless phone projection, such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, can increase phone temperature as well. Each phone manufacturer sets its own limitation on battery temperature. If that limit is reached, charging may slow or even stop until temperature lowers. If this occurs, you can continue charging your phone by simply connecting it to the USB port with the cable. To find out more about the entire Acura lineup, go to the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.